Hey everyone! Welcome back to Around the World in 5 Dishes, International Flavors at Home. We've been to Italy and Japan, and now we're heading to India. Today we're making butter chicken. Before we begin, I would like to clarify that none of the brands mentioned in this video are endorsing the video or its content. We mention these brands in good faith, believing in their commitment to ethical practices. We'll be using Patak's butter chicken cooking sauce, Murray's chicken thighs, and Tilda basmati rice. These brands are committed to ethical sourcing and sustainability. Patak's focuses on authentic Indian flavors with high-quality ingredients. Murray's ensures humane treatment of animals and is known for its commitment to animal welfare and antibiotic-free chicken. And Tilda supports fair trade and sustainable rice farming. And now, let's get started with our very simple and super quick recipe for some mouth-watering butter chicken. Start by browning your chicken thighs. Once browned, add the butter chicken sauce. Believe me, it's as simple as that. While the chicken simmers, cook your basmati rice. Serve the butter chicken over the rice. The aroma alone will make your kitchen smell like an Indian spice market. Tastes like a Bollywood dance sequence in my mouth. Thanks for joining me on this Indian adventure. Remember to choose ingredients that are good for you and the planet. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for our next stop, Mexico. Until next time, happy cooking and bon appetit!